Welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. Today I will be demonstrating how to do this V-part 3D look, okay? So let's get into it. Now, as you can see, I have already laid the tracks in the back. This tutorial is strictly for how to do the 3D V-part ponytail, okay? Now, you can use this method even if it's not a half up, half down. If it's just a normal V-part 3D ponytail, it's the same procedures, it's the same steps. So here we go. For those that don't know, I am the hot comb queen, okay? I don't do plug-ins. I use the stove. So to each his own. But you guys want to make sure you straighten the hair if you have to flat iron it and then press the roots out. Whatever you guys' method is, this is mine, okay? I've been doing hair for 19 years now. I went to hair school. I know how to use the stove pressing combs, and this is the outcome, okay? Look, it's silky, shiny. It looks good, okay? So we're going to start with parting the V part. So it's numerous of ways we can do this. You can do it to where it's like a deep V, or you can just kind of like line up the client's eyelids, the middle, or her eyebrow, or like you know, or her eyelids. You can take it from that portion. She didn't really want the V kind of like more like VV because it, you know, she just didn't want that. She just wanted it kind of like straight to the back. So, okay, that's cool. So you have to understand, the more you kind of make the V shape, the more it's going to be like a deep swoop. You understand what I'm saying? So we didn't go with that method because she didn't want, you know, any really deep swoop. So we just went with the basic 3D look. So as you can see, I've already parted everything. I got the 3 sections sectioned out. I have rubber bands on all the other 2 sections so I can keep everything in order, okay? I am using my premium beeswax. I do make this beeswax. It doesn't flake, it doesn't turn white, and it lasts. It's not like edge control. It's not wet where it turns white, any of that. So you guys, if you guys are interested in purchasing my premium beeswax, just comment below and I most definitely will get it to you. So right now, I'm working on the next section. Now you want to make sure before you get to those next sections that is the roots are extremely straight, okay? No, I am not over processing her hair. No, I am not adding additional heat to where her hair is going to break out. No, I'm not. I've been doing this for years. I've never had any complaints of anyone saying I over processed their hair or it fell out. You're just making sure that it doesn't have those crinkly crinks in it, you know, those curly crinks. When you try to mold that swoop, you want to make sure that it is flat as possible. That is your job, not the client's job, okay? If you know your job and if you're confident in what you're doing, nothing, no one can tell you is harming or making the hair unsafe, okay? So as you can see, look at that shine, look at that mold, okay? Look at it. The beeswax is not wet. It's not like a creamy kind of situation where you have to put it on every day. No. If you follow these steps, as in straightening the hair, applying the premium beeswax, and spraying it with spritz or holding spray, you shouldn't have any problems. Now, one thing you guys do not see on my counter is got to be. I hate it. Okay? Got to be turns your hair white. I don't care if you're just spraying it for it to mold. I don't care what you guys are doing. I've even used it on myself. Me and several other stylists and clients prefer not to use it. So you will not see me using got to be at all. It turns the hair white. It makes the client's hair itch. Yes, I am boycotting it. I don't like it. So we're on the last section here. That's why sectioning is important. We're going to follow the same exact steps. You're going to want to add the product, mold it, spritz it, and blow dry it. Once again, the client did not want any really deep swoops, especially on her forehead or on her sides. So I did that for her. FYI, for the clients that do want the deep swoop, maybe kind of a little bit on their forehead, you do want to keep in mind that that might not last as long. So this is why she chose to go this route. I am finished with this 3D look ponytail. It came out really great. You can see the parts, you can see the sectioning. It's very shiny. Look at that beeswax and that spritz, making that hair nice and shiny. This is the final look of what the 3D part will look like, the illusion. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below. This is the final look, okay? Now you got that half up, half down 3D look with the flips. You can't, okay? Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Lasts up to 2 weeks. If you guys are interested, please subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much.